Welcome back to TheTechSpace, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to rank on YouTube search and get more views. So if you want more views, you're going to have to do things to get more views, and that is going to be covered in this video in full length. So you're going to want to stay tuned. I'm going to make this video long, but you can go ahead and skip through, go to the parts that you would like to if you want to. Again, just get the information. But I'm going to go over everything again for YouTubers, how to search or how to rank higher on YouTube search and how to get more views in general. So if you want to do that, you're going to want to watch this whole video because I'm going to go over a lot of things that really aren't public. I wouldn't say aren't public, but aren't gone over a lot and aren't stressed a lot when it comes to YouTube channels. So I'm going to go in depth as well. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys in a second. So number one is tagging your videos and titling your videos. And well, actually this comes all together. So you're gonna, the title, the tags, and the description are all going to be what we're gonna put in the prep stage, which is going to be number one. So number one is the prep stage, and that is getting the title, the tags, the description all to blend properly and also to be laid out in a way that's proper, so that when a person searches it in YouTube, they're going to want to search those words that you've used as tags and that title as well. So next, what I'm going to show you is a video of mine. So this is a video of mine. I have 466,000 views on, and here are the tags that I have for it. As you can see, the ones that rank are laptop buttons not working, how to fix laptop keyboard, and keyboard keys won't work. And one ranks number 6, one ranks 8, one ranks number 2. And as you can see, I have 8 of my 9 things on my checklist done. I have, like I said, really good tags that all relate to this video. And beyond that, it's in a playlist. I have annotations on the end of the video and end screens. So you need an end screen, you need annotations. It's put in the correct category, and the title's pretty, it's not misleading. It's, you know, it grabs your attention, but obviously, you know, the video gives you the information as well, or that many people wouldn't have watched it. And I've got a lot of great feedback from this video. So that's basically how I got 400-something thousand views on this video. Now, every video you post isn't going to reach that much. Again, there are tons of videos that have, you know, even on laptop keyboards not working, I'm sure there's thousands of videos on the same topic. So it's not common that every video that you have. So the next thing you're going to want to do, beyond using good tags and putting your video in a playlist, you're going to want to have vidIQ. I'll put the link to vidIQ in the description below, and you guys can go ahead and download that. And that's what's going to give you these stats here on the side, which show you what you've done right. And you can obviously see the checklist. It shows you what you've done right, and it also shows you how well your tags are doing as far as how they're ranking. Now, this is going to be something you're going to want to use all the time. If you don't use this already as a YouTuber, most YouTubers use this. It's something that's widely advertised, especially nowadays. Download vidIQ, use it to your full advantage. Next, you're going to want to have good descriptions. Every video you have should have a description. I know that's something I've done pretty bad at keeping up with, is keeping my video descriptions fully done because I upload a lot of videos, so it's hard to keep up with all of them. But video descriptions help again with so much with your search, your SEO, and people clicking on your video because they want the video to, you know, the person that's creating the video to show that they actually care about the topic. And having a description about the video just shows you with that extra length again to show them and explain to them what you're going to be doing in the video. Now, lastly, well, not lastly, but next we have our title. Again, the title's catchy. I like to use capital letters for every word in the title, and in the thumbnail I usually use all capital letters. And if I'm fixing something, I use exclamation marks or something like that, again to grab the person's attention that's looking at the thumbnail. So when they're looking at the thumbnail, they're seeing an exciting thumbnail with big letters, keyboard in the background, a schematic in the background, so they're thinking, this person actually knows what they're talking about, and in this case, they were right. So this actually works. So that's something you want to be really careful of, is making sure that you have all of these things together and that they are not lying to the person that you're trying to advertise that video to. So if you lie to that person, again, they're just going to leave your video within 30 seconds, because they're going to realize that you're not making an authentic video, and that's going to increase your bounce rate on your channel, which is not only going to cost you money if you're monetized, but bounce rates and audience retention in general is a big factor when it comes to ranking on YouTube and getting your channel suggested. Is how long are people spending on your channel before leaving, and because this shows, is your channel actually helping them, or are you just clickbaiting and lying? So make sure that you're not lying in your videos, make sure you're being authentic, make sure you have all these things down packed, and then you're ready to go on to the next step, which is going to be saying the right things in your video. So in your video, you're going to want to say things about the topic, you're going to say things that are tags, for example. You're going to want to say things that surround the topic that you're talking about and that your video is about, because that, again, will be picked up by YouTube's bots. And if you don't know, YouTube is monetized, or not monetized, but ran basically by bots, and bots sort through all of this information, which are basically just computer created or programs that go through basically all of your videos, every word that you're saying, and check it, make sure you're not cussing and stuff like that. So if you've noticed that your videos went demonetized, you might have been cussing or something, and a bot detected it and demonetized your video. So bots go through your videos and they're checking for those words. They're checking to make sure that you're not just posting troll content that has nothing to do with that topic. So make sure you're saying things that surround that topic in your video, because that'll only help you rank more. So say it as much as you can without obviously making your video making that obvious in your video. So that will help a lot, is to just keep saying those words and keeping your user aware of what's going on. So next thing, and the last thing I'm going to say about this topic in this video, is just to have a good channel in general. So when you go to your channel, you want to be like, if you were to visit one of your favorite channels, you want people to feel like that when they go to your channel. You want it to look nice, professional. You want to have a nice banner, a nice logo. You want to have it laid out and customized perfectly. You can customize it by clicking this button right here. And you want it laid out in the way that people are going to be intrigued by your channel. You want, your subscribers to come back and see the videos that you just uploaded, see the playlist that they watch normally, and stuff like that. So again, you want everything to be in order, organized, and look professional. Even if you're just starting YouTube, take a week and keep saving a header file and a logo until you make one that you like. It took me like 10 tries to get this header, and I finally got one that I liked. And for a logo, it's always good to use a picture of yourself, because that gives your channel, again, that personal identity. It's always better, again, to use a picture as your logo than just a business logo, unless you're Dell or Microsoft and can do something like that and people just know your logo for your logo. It's something that I would highly consider just using a picture of yourself. So basically that's going to be it for this video. The last thing I'll say is to make sure, again, to do your descriptions for your videos, but in your playlist descriptions, for your playlist that you create, you're going to want to create the descriptions for those as well, and make those just as good as the video descriptions, including all of your links, your tags, keywords, and stuff like that. So basically that's it. I have other videos on this topic, but this was a more in-depth explanation of what I think, and again, this is what I think is the most important factors that come into play when you're a YouTuber and actually getting, growing, and you want to get more views, more subscribers, and you want more people to watch your channel. So whether you're a tech channel, a vlog channel, a gaming channel, a news channel, or unboxing channel, whatever you are, you can get help from my videos on my YouTube channel, which is TheTechSpace. You can visit my channel for computer programming help, for computer repair help, for basically anything technology. If I don't have a video on it, you can always suggest it and I'll make a video, or just send you a comment and show you or tell you the answer to whatever it is that you have to question. So don't be scared to send me a question or post a question on the comment section of this video or on my channel. But other than that, I post every day, so just stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, like this video if you enjoyed it. I try to go in depth in a lot of videos, but I try again not to have them too long. So I like to make 2 videos on the same topic, which one will be a shorter video on the same topic, and then one will obviously be the longer video on the same topic. And I always separate those videos because some people like watching shorter videos, some people like watching the whole 15-minute long video. So I never know what you guys want specifically, so I make both of them. And again, I think for the most part the shorter videos do the best, but the long videos are always good to make for those people who do enjoy watching and knowing all of the information that goes into creating anything or whatever the video topic's on. So if you want the more in-depth explanation always about anything technology, go to my channel, subscribe. It's actually right down to your right, bottom right. Click subscribe, click like on this video, and I'll see you guys next time.